How to see send follow request on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now here, you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section Account Center. Now different options will appear. Navigate to the option Your Information and Permissions. Now here towards the option Download Your Information. Click on the option Download or Transfer Information. Click on the option Sum of Your Information. Now check in for the option Followers and Following. Then click on Next. Click on the option Download to Device. Click on the date range. Now from here you can select the date range. Then click on Save. Likewise select the format and the media quality and click on Create Files. With that, you have just requested for the file that will include send follow request on Instagram. Once your file is ready, you'll be notified. You'll need to come to this page. Then you'll need to download that file. Once the file will be downloaded, launch it, and that file will include send follow request. So this is how you can see send follow request on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.